Hello student, I am Dr. Charu Khamesa and today we are going to complete the next topic, organic reaction mechanism. Before we will complete the organic reaction mechanism, we have to know about organic reaction. An organic reaction is a bond breaking and bond making process. How it is represented? Organic reaction can be represented as a reactant plus substrate gives the product. Type of bonds. There is a 4 different type of bonds: covalent bond, polar covalent bond, ionic bond and coordinate bond. Covalent bond, which are formed by the mutual sharing of the bonds between the two atoms. There is a very less or almost equal electronegativity of the atoms are there. Now in polar covalent bond, there is a difference between the electronegativity of the bonded atom and bonded electron pair shifted to the more electronegative element there. Therefore slightly negative charge occurs on the more electronegative element. This is called polar covalent bond. Now next we are doing ionic bond. Ionic bond in which there is a large difference between the electronegativity of both the bonded atom. Therefore cation and anions are formed here. Coordinate bonds. Coordinate bonds are formed between the electron rich and electron deficient species, in which electron rich species donate a lone pair of electron to the electron deficient species and coordinate bond is formed. It is also called dative bonding and it is shown by a arrow. Now type of fission, type of bond dissociation. There are two type of bond fission, symmetrical fission and unsymmetrical fission. Symmetrical fission is also known as homolytic fission or homolysis. In this, for example, A and B. A and B is a compound in which bond there is a bond. होमोलैटिक फिजन जब होगा तो इसके अंदर ये बॉन्ड के जो बॉन्डेड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, यहाँ पे एक बॉन्डेड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर की वजह से बॉन्ड बना है. जब इसकी शिफ्टिंग, जब इसका फिजन होगा तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, दोनों स्पीशीज एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके निकल जाएगी. देयर इज़ अ वेरी लेस डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ बोथ द एटम्स. देयरफॉर after fission they forms free radicals. A single electron is present on both the species. That means these radicals are called the free radical. These are the neutral species and with unpaired and free and odd electron on it. Free radical mechanism preferred by the high temperature in the presence of high energy radiations. Non-polar solvents, free radical initiators. An example of the free radical mechanism is a halogenation of methane, pyrolysis of alkanes, that is a peroxide effect, which we will study later. Now second is this is all about homolytic fission. Now we are doing heterolytic fission or unsymmetrical fission. When there is a difference between the electronegativity of the bonded atoms, दोनों के बीच में electronegativity का difference होता है. Suppose we are taking B is a more electronegative element. If it is more negative element, the bonded electron pair shifted to this B atom and it forms an ion. The equation is shown here. B is an anion and another species is formed cation. If A is a more electronegative, on that time A forms anion and B forms cation. Now the presence of ionic and polar the presence of ionic or polar solvent, polar reagent, lower temperature favors the ionic mechanism. This ionic mechanism is favored by the polar solvent, polar reagent and low temperatures, where the free radical mechanism is favored by the high temperature and the non-polar solvents. Now the example of ionic mechanism, ionic reaction are shown by the electrophilic additions of alkanes and alkynes are the example of ionic reactions. Now heterolytic fission of covalent bond. If heterolytic fission of a covalent bond carried out, it forms two type of species, carb cation and carb anion. First we are doing carb cation. If carbon is bonded with the more electronegative element like halogen, X is represented halogen, on that time the bonded electron pair shifted to the more electronegative element. There is a difference between the electronegativity of the carbon and halogen. Because of shifting of this bonded electron pair to the halogen, it forms an ion and carbon possesses a positive charge. The species which is formed here, carbon with positive charge, is called the carb cation. दैट मीन्स कार्ब कैटायन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्पीशीज़ होती है, कार्बन एटम के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है. इट हैज़ ओनली 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और 6 सेट इन इट्स वैलेंस शेल. वैलेंस शेल के अंदर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं. इट इज़ 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन होने की वजह से ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट होता है, हाईली अनस्टेबल है एंड रिएक्टिव इंटरमीडिएट की तरह काम करता है. यदि इसकी ज्योमेट्री देखें तो ज्योमेट्री विद पॉजिटिव कार्बन एटम देखें तो 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स बनते हैं, तो प्लेनर ज्योमेट्री होती है और sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होता है. 1 2 एंड 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स होने की वजह से 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स होते हैं और sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होता है. If we will classification of these carb cation, the positive charge जिस कार्बन के ऊपर होता है वो कितने कार्बन के साथ में जुड़ा हुआ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसको हम लोग क्लासीफाई करते हैं. मे बी इट इज़ प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी. इफ कार्बन द पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्रेजेंट ऑन कार्बन एटम विच इज़ बॉन्डेड विद वन कार्बन एटम इज कॉल्ड द primary carb cation, like ethyl. If there is a methyl is not the primary. Methyl carb cation होता है, but that is not the primary carb cation, but ethyl is the primary carb cation. Now if we'll go for isopropyl, this carbon, the positive charge present on middle carbon atom and it is bonded to the 2 carbon atoms further, so it is called isopropyl secondary carb cation. If carbon attached with the 3-methyl group and positive charge is present on that carbon atom which is bonded with the 3-methyl group, tertiary it is the 3-degree carb cation. If we'll go for stability of carb cation, tertiary carb cation is more stable than the secondary is more stable than primary is more stable than the ethyl carb cation, and ethyl carb cation is more stable as compared to methyl carb cation. And reactivity and stability are inversely proportional to each other. The reactivity of the methyl carb cation is more as compared to tertiary carb cation. The order is just reversed. And then stability of carb cation can be explained by the plus I effect, positive inductive effect, and the hyperconjugation. What is the meaning of hyperconjugation? Larger the number of the resonating structure or hyperconjugation, greater is the stability. If we'll go for hyperconjugation resonating structure, tertiary butyl radical carb cation forms the 10 structures, while secondary carb cation forms the 7 structures. If we'll go for ethyl carb cation, primary carb cation forms the 4 structure, while methyl carb cation form only 1 structure. This shows the 10th structure of the butyl carb cation, that is a tertiary carb cation, which is more stable as compared to secondary, and order is same as shown above: tertiary, then secondary, then primary, then ethyl, and then methyl carb cation. Now we discuss all about the carb cation. हेटेरोलाइटिक फिजन होता है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का डिफरेंस होता है. कार्बन इज बॉन्डेड विद मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, तो कार्ब कैटायन फॉर्मेशन होती है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द कार्ब कैटायन. Now reactions of carb cation. The reactions of carb cations are carb cation is an electron deficient species, forms the 4 type of reactions. First, attack by the nucleophile. Nucleophile, which is an electron rich species, can attack on carb cation. Reaction that is attack of nucleophile. Any nucleophile can attack. It may be negatively charged nucleophile or it may be neutral nucleophile. Both are electron rich. They can attack to the carb cation and forms the product. It is a type of substitution reaction. Example of substitution reaction. Now removal of proton or formation of alkene. There is a primary carb cation. If there is a removal of हाइड्रोजन here, यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन का यदि हम मिथाइल से हम एक कार्बन को रिमूव कर दें प्राइमरी कार्ब कैटायन से, तो ऐसी कंडीशन के अंदर रिमूवल ऑफ प्रोटॉन से एल्कीन फॉर्मेशन होती है. दिस इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन शोन बाय द कार्ब कैटायन. Next is a rearrangement reaction to form the stable carb cation. Supposed to be there is a primary carb cation. The secondary carb cation is more stable than primary, tertiary is more stable than primary. So this primary carb cation rearrange and form the secondary carb cation. The positive charge is moved on the central carbon atom and this hydrogen is moved to the terminal carbon and forms the secondary carb cation. If we'll go for next, that is if there is a primary carb cation which is bonded to the one carbon atom. Further, this carbon, the carbon which is from which is primary carbocation is further bonded with the 3 methyl group, that is a neopentyl. After rearrangement, the positive charge shifted to the second carbon, and it forms tertiary carbocation. The positive charge is present on the carbon atom which is bonded with the 1, 2 and 3 carbon, tertiary carbocation, which is more stable. This type of reactions are called the rearrangement reactions. Now, formation of other carbocation by attack on alkene. यदि अपने पास में ये carbocation है, methyl carbocation है, ethyl carbocation है, it attack on the ethene और alkene के ऊपर अटैक करके ये further नेक्स्ट कार्बोकेटाइन भी बना सकता है. CH2 is a long chain carbocation which is more stable than the primary than this carbocation. So this type of reactions are shown by the carbocations. Now the next species is carbanion. When carbon is bonded with the less electronegative element, यदि अपने पास में ये जो X लगा हुआ है वो लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, ऐसी कंडीशन के अंदर बॉन्डेड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्टेड टू द कार्बन, इट फॉर्म्स कार्बनायन. कार्बन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आ जाता है तो इसको बोलते हैं कार्बनायन. हियर X इज अ लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन कार्बन. हाइड्रोजन इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. नाउ कार्बनायन इज अ नेगेटिवली चार्ज कार्बन एटम होता है. इट हैज़ 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन इट्स वैलेंस शेल, जिसके अंदर से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या 1 पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज अ नॉन बॉन्डेड पेयर. It is an electron rich species. It is also a reactive intermediate. If we will go for geometry, the geometry of this carbanion is a trigonal pyramid like the ammonia molecule की तरह होती है, जिसके अंदर लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट रहता है. लाइक अमोनिया के जब हम स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो ये नॉन बॉन्डेड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है जो कि अमोनिया के अंदर प्रेजेंट है. तो इसकी वजह से इसकी ज्योमेट्री जो होती है वो ट्रायगोनल प्लेनर, इसकी पिरामिडल हो जाती है बट ट्रायगोनल प्लेनर ज्योमेट्री होती है टेट्राहेड्रल की जगह पर. यहाँ पर नाउ यहाँ पे अपने पास में अपन देखें 1 2 3 तो सिग्मा बॉन्ड हो गया, 1 नॉन बॉन्डेड हो गया, तो 4 बॉन्ड्स आर देयर. तो इट शोज sp3 hybridization. The stability order of the carbanion is vinyl is more stable than phenyl, phenyl is more stable than methyl. This is shown here. Now triple number of the multiple bond is increases. जैसे से multiple bond बढ़ जाते हैं तो उस कार्बनायन की स्टेबिलिटी है वो भी बढ़ जाती है. ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड कार्बनायन is more stable as compared to double bonded and then primary single bonded carbanion. Reaction types, they shows displacement, rearrangement, polymerization, elimination, condensation and addition reactions. Now the next topic which we are doing is a free radical mechanism. Free radical third species which is formed, which we already discussed. Free radicals are formed between the atoms of mutual or equal electron. The bonded atoms are of equal electronegativity. जब bonded electron एटम्स जो होते हैं वो इक्वल इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी वाले होते हैं तब होमोलाइटिक फिजन होता है. बॉन्ड जो है वही इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता है और द स्पीशीज जो बनती है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं फ्री रेडिकल्स. नाउ इट इज़ इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल स्पीशीज़ होती है. इट हैज़ 1 और अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है इसके पास में. जनरली 1 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन ही होता है बट सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल जैसे अपन देखें डाइक्लोरोकार्बन के अंदर देखें तो यहाँ पर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी होते हैं इस रेडिकल के अंदर. दिस इज द अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल. डाइक्लोरोकार्बन इज 2 ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, ये भी फ्री रेडिकल का ही एग्जांपल है, इसको बाय रेडिकल बोला जाता है. क्लासिफिकेशन दैट सेम एज द कार्बोकेटाइन, कार्बनाइन, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी. These are the all examples of the free radicals. Now stability order, if we'll go for stability, it is same equal as the carbocations. Tertiary carbocation, as we already learned about, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary and primary. Same as here, tertiary free radical is more stable than secondary and secondary is more stable than primary. And it can also explain as hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation जो हमने already discuss किया था उसी के basis पे इसको भी हम explain कर सकते हैं. Now डाइक्लोरोकार्बन का एग्जांपल हमने देख लिया. इफ विल गो फॉर ज्योमेट्री, ज्योमेट्री डिपेंड्स ऑन द कार्बन एटम बियरिंग ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन. ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन जिसके ऊपर होता है उसकी जो ज्योमेट्री है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है कि कौन सा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगा और कौन सी ज्योमेट्री होगी. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट free radicals, carbocation and carbon ion. This is a basic of the organic reaction mechanism. Thank you.